Welcome to today's review of the Emgykit 086S hand crank emergency radio. This compact device packs a punch with its powerful 3-watt LED flashlight, SOS alarm, and multiple charging options. Let's dive into the details. First, the flashlight. It's been upgraded to a 3-watt 3-LED bead that delivers 140 lumens of brightness. That's plenty for lighting up a dark room or tent during a power outage or camping trip. The beam is wide and uniform, perfect for emergency lighting. Next up, the SOS alarm. In a real emergency, this feature could be a lifesaver. By holding down the button for 3 seconds, you activate a loud siren over 80 decibels. It's piercing enough to attract attention whether you're stranded in a snowstorm or need help in the wilderness. Now let's talk power. This radio has 3 ways to charge: hand crank, solar panel, and Type-C USB. The hand crank is efficient, generating power quickly. The solar panel is great for extended outdoor use, and the Type-C port offers convenient charging from a wall outlet or power bank. The built-in 2000 mAh battery can even charge your phone in a pinch. Radio capabilities are comprehensive. You get AM/FM bands for news and entertainment, plus NOAA weather alerts that keep you informed about severe weather in your area. The reception is solid even in remote locations. Size-wise, it's pocket-friendly at just 5.1 by 2.1 by 2.4 inches and weighs half a pound. It easily fits in a backpack or glove compartment. The red color makes it easy to spot in the dark. Overall, the Emgykit 086S is a reliable companion for emergencies, camping, or everyday preparedness. It's affordable, versatile, and easy to use. Highly recommended for anyone wanting peace of mind. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.